In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 effective ways to cheat on an online proctored exam in 2025. But that's not all. I'll also reveal the best method you can use to bypass proctoring systems and cheat on an online exam without getting caught. This detailed guide will cover everything you need to know about online proctored exam cheating, including common loopholes in proctoring systems. We'll go through each method step by step, so stay tuned until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and hacks for online exams. What are online proctored exams? Before diving into the methods, let's first understand what online proctored exams are and the essential requirements to take them. An online proctored exam is an exam conducted online, where the test taker completes the test on a laptop, either from home or school, based on the requirements set by the school or sponsoring agency. These exams are monitored using online proctoring software to ensure test integrity and prevent cheating on proctored exams. Different proctoring software have unique ways of safeguarding the exam. Typically, an online proctoring system uses a webcam to monitor the test taker's activities, locks other browser tabs to block access to external resources, and in more advanced setups, a dedicated proctor supervises the test taker in real time, from check-in to the completion of the exam. When did online proctoring begin? Before the pandemic, online exam proctoring wasn't widely used. However, the COVID-19 outbreak drastically changed the education and testing landscape. With schools shifting to online classes and remote testing systems, online proctored exams became a necessity. Not just schools, but major testing organizations also adopted remote exam systems to allow candidates to take exams from home. This marked the point where online proctoring software and remote testing gained widespread adoption on a large scale. What software is used for online proctored exams? Schools and testing organizations use a variety of proctoring software based on their specific needs and the required level of monitoring. While all these tools serve the same purpose of ensuring surveillance during exams, each comes with unique features and functionalities. Some widely used and well-known online proctoring software include Respondus Lockdown Browser, HonorLock Proctor U Proctorio, Pearson View, Examity Exemplify Exam Shield. These platforms, along with many others, are designed to maintain exam integrity and prevent cheating on proctored exams. How does online proctoring work? The primary goal of online proctoring is to prevent test takers from using external resources during an exam. To achieve this, different proctoring software employ various mechanisms to ensure integrity and prevent cheating. The key component of most online proctored exams is the use of a webcam. Since these exams are often taken at home, all activities are recorded via webcam and in some cases monitored live by human proctors. Key steps in online proctoring. Check-in process. Before starting the exam, test takers must complete a check-in process. This typically involves uploading a photo of their ID, taking a 360-degree video of their surroundings to ensure no one else is present in the testing space. Eye monitoring. Advanced proctoring software uses AI to monitor facial and eye movements, identifying any suspicious activity during the test. Device and app check. Before the exam begins, the software scans for unwanted apps or programs. If any prohibited apps are detected, the system prompts the test taker to close or remove them. Secure browser. Once the exam starts, it launches in a secure browser, locking the test taker into the exam window. This means no switching to other tabs or applications. All other device functionalities are disabled for the duration of the exam. These measures collectively ensure a secure and fair testing environment, reducing the chances of cheating on proctored exams. How to cheat on online proctored exams in 2025. As technology advances, the methods of cheating are also evolving, from traditional techniques to highly sophisticated strategies. While proctoring software aims to eliminate all loopholes and prevent cheating on online proctored exams, perfection has yet to be achieved. In the field of technology, there will always be vulnerabilities, and taking advantage of these loopholes makes it possible to cheat even on the most secure online proctored exams. In this section, we will explore various methods, starting from traditional techniques and moving toward the most advanced and undetectable ways to bypass proctoring systems in 2025. 5 ways to cheat on online proctored exams in 2025. There are several ways to cheat on online proctored exams, but in this section we'll discuss 5 common methods, ranging from traditional tricks to advanced and undetectable techniques. In the next section, I'll reveal which method is the best and why it's nearly impossible to get caught. Method 1. The old school approach. The old school method includes traditional cheating tricks like writing notes on your palms, using sticky notes, or employing sign language to communicate with others. Many institutions assume these tricks won't work for online proctored exams, but they can still be used, though, with limitations. However, modern online proctoring software, especially those with AI-based monitoring, can easily flag these actions. This makes old-school techniques less effective against remote proctoring systems. Method 2. Impersonation, proxy tester. Impersonation involves hiring or asking someone else to take the exam on your behalf. This method has been used in traditional exams and is now adapted for online assessments. Before the exam, students share their login credentials with the proxy. During the exam, the impersonator completes the test remotely. Advanced proctoring systems, however, counter this by using biometric verification and facial recognition, which makes impersonation more difficult. Method 3. Hacking the correct answers. Tech-savvy students can cheat by hacking the exam software to extract the correct answers. By using specialized answer hacking software, they convert the test into code. This software scans the code to differentiate correct answers, typically represented by 1S and 0S, from other data. While effective for multiple-choice questions, this method requires advanced programming skills and isn't foolproof against robust proctoring systems. Method 4. Advanced tech gadgets and software. The rise of technology has given students access to sophisticated tools for cheating. Common gadgets and techniques include smartwatches and microphones, used to communicate with outside help or store answers. Cameras and projectors. Hidden cameras on desks capture exam content, while projectors display answers from family or friends nearby. Screen mirroring, using tools to grant remote access to friends or family, enabling them to assist during the exam. Despite their creativity, many of these methods are detectable with advanced proctoring tools. Method 5. Technical expert method, hiring someone to bypass proctoring software. This method involves installing custom software on the test taker's laptop that is completely undetectable by proctoring software. The expert remotely monitors the test taker's screen and controls the cursor during the exam. They assist in selecting the correct answers, ensuring the test taker doesn't get caught. This method is highly advanced and nearly impossible to detect because the software operates covertly. It's one of the most effective and undetectable ways to cheat on online proctored exams. Best way to cheat on a proctored exam without being caught. The most effective and undetectable way to cheat on a proctored exam is the technical expert method. This advanced approach involves installing custom software on the test taker's device to establish a remote connection. Through this setup, a technical expert can monitor the screen and select the correct answers on behalf of the test taker. Why is this method the best? 100% safe and undetectable. The custom software is designed to remain completely hidden from even the most advanced proctoring software, making it virtually impossible to detect. Highly secure. Unlike other methods, which carry a risk of being flagged by AI or live proctors, this technique ensures total anonymity and security. What's required? To use this method, you'll need the assistance of a technical expert to set up the software and provide support during the exam. While this method requires external help, its unmatched safety and reliability make it the best choice for bypassing proctoring systems. 5 points you must know before cheating on an online proctored exam. Understand how proctoring software works. Before attempting to cheat, familiarize yourself with the proctoring software being used. Knowing its features and limitations can help you avoid mistakes and make your plan less risky. Be mindful of eye movement and background noise. Many online proctoring systems use AI to detect unusual eye movements or background noises. Ensure your environment is quiet and your behavior appears natural to avoid being flagged. Don't pay up front for a proxy service. If you hire someone to bypass the proctoring system, avoid paying up front. Ensure the person is reliable and understands the exam system before finalizing the arrangement. Act naturally if receiving help. If you're getting external help, maintain a realistic demeanor. For example, read questions aloud or pause thoughtfully to avoid raising suspicion during the exam. Take your time. Completing the exam. Avoid completing the exam too quickly, as this could trigger suspicion. Spend a reasonable amount of time on each question to make your performance appear genuine.